You can order the power steering pulley used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Turn your engine off. Set the parking brake. Pull on the hood release handle and open the hood. For safety reasons, we advise you to disconnect the battery. To do so, we recommend watching the video, How to Replace the Honda Accord Car Battery. To change the power steering pulley, you need to remove the serpentine belt. We recommend taking a picture or to draw the path of the belt around the different pulleys in order to position it correctly later. Using a 14mm offset wrench, loosen the belt by turning the serpentine belt tensioner clockwise. Here's a tip. You can enlarge the lever by inserting a socket into an extender and putting it on the end of the offset wrench, which will help you loosen the belt. Meanwhile, remove the serpentine belt from the power steering pulley. Take a pulley lock wrench, which allows you to counterlock the pulley rotation, while you loosen the power steering pulley retaining nut using a breaker bar and a 19mm socket. Finish unscrewing by hand. You can now remove the power steering pulley. You can order the power steering pulley used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new pulley and put it in place. Make sure it is pushed in as far as it will go.
Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoyed this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work.
Then, screw the nut back on by hand. Tighten the nut using a ratchet and a 19mm socket, counterlocking pulley rotation with the lock wrench. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Turn the serpentine belt tensioner clockwise using the 14mm offset wrench and the extender. And put the belt back on the power steering pulley. Then, release the belt tensioner to fully extend the belt. Before starting your car again, check that the belt is properly positioned in all the pulleys. Reconnect the battery. Operation complete.